everyone, it's Megan with Alder and Nance, and today I am sharing the Golden Rule Lutterloh Pattern 14 from Supplement 310. The other day I was talking to my oldest child, Skylar, about her wanting a dress pattern that she could wear to school that had a collar, and that made me remember that I had the perfect plain pattern in the Lutterloh system that I could use to make her own basic block for making other patterns and for using the Lutterloh system to know what changes I needed to make to their patterns in order to fit. Here you see me plotting the points that coincide with Skylar's measurements. Skylar is at the very end of being able to fit into the regular system before I need to go ahead and start using the XXL system for her, but that doesn't mean that I'm not able to take even the largest one from the regular system and scale it up for her. It's a little bit harder and not as easy, but with Skylar's and also my body type, I still have to do some adjustments to the Lutterloh patterns. And I guess that's why you always need to make sure you do a mock-up of any pattern that you're making, even one that is self-drafted like this, because you're still going to want to make adjustments to your patterns. I had hoped to go ahead and share the final results from this, but I am still making some adjustments to this pattern for Skylar. I don't have a lot of time during the day because I do have kids that are home. I'm still running around taking Skylar to summer school and things like that. Here you see me going ahead and plotting the dart for the front of the skirt. And that's the good thing about some of these patterns is you already have exactly where you need to plot your darts. On some of them you do need to adjust the dart intake in order to get it to fit, in which you'll see me do here in just a few minutes, where I'm adjusting the dart intake to fit the waistline of the dress. So far, out of all of the pattern making systems that I own, this is by far the easiest one for me to use. The reason why I say it's one of the easiest ones for me to use is it's got everything. I'm not having to do math and calculations in order to plot all of the different points. It's already there for you. Yes, I need to adjust the waistline for both myself and Skylar because we do have larger waistlines compared to me having no hips and Skylar having a lot larger hips, but still not quite enough room in the waist for her outfits. But that's going to be something that you'll see in any pattern that you pick up, that you're going to have to make some adjustments or grading from one size to the next. And what's great about the Lutterloh, the Golden Rule system, is it makes it easy in order to get the pattern, and then you just add in what you need in order to fit in the waist in different areas. What I need to do to fix this pattern for her is I've gone ahead and made it into an A-line skirt that still has darts. The skirt fit her perfectly, but I still need to fix some of the area in the bust line, and I went ahead and changed the back of the pattern to have more of a squared off bottom to the waistline, and I shouldn't have done that. The pattern already had a sway back and I didn't realize that, and it didn't look right, so I went ahead and squared everything off, and which I shouldn't have done. One of the other things I did with the pattern is I went ahead and adjusted the sleeve for her, and I made it a little bit tighter on the second mock-up, in which I shouldn't have done that either. It ended up being too tight, and she also didn't like the added puffiness that I added to the sleeve, so I've got to go back and adjust that. The other thing that I did is, instead of one dart in the waistline for the front bodice part of the dress, I went ahead and divided that into 2 darts, and I need to actually take some more away on the side dart that I added, and I'll also need to go ahead and do a hollow neck adjustment to her pattern, along with doing the sway back to the pattern that I've done this time. The back of the dress ended up having way too much fabric down in her lower back area, so I do know I need to do the sway back adjustment for her. So make sure you're following me over on Instagram, because I'll go ahead and share the final results once I am done correcting the pattern, and we'll post the little black dress that I am making for Skylar. So let me know if you've made a little black dress using pattern 14 from supplement 310, and join me over on Instagram if you have made this or any other little black dresses.